In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order in Trading 212. If you've placed an order and changed your mind, the good news is that you can cancel it as long as it hasn't been executed yet. This applies to orders that are still pending, like limit orders, or stop limit orders. Once an order has been filled by the market, it can't be canceled. At that point, if you want to reverse the position, you'd need to place a new trade in the opposite direction. Here's how to cancel a pending order on both the app and the web platform. Start by opening Trading 212 on your phone or in your browser. From the main screen, head to the section labeled Portfolio or Investments. This is where you'll see your holdings and any orders tied to them. Next, open the specific stock or asset where you placed the order. Within that instruments page, scroll until you find the area called Pending Orders. This section lists orders that are queued and waiting for their conditions to be met. Find the exact order you want to cancel. You'll see a small cancel icon, typically shown as an X next to it. Tap or click that X. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental cancellations. Confirm that you want to cancel. Once you do, the platform will remove the order from the queue. After cancellation, any funds or shares that were reserved for that pending order are released back into your available balance. That means the cash you set aside for a limit buy or the shares you allocated for a limit sell will be instantly usable again for other trades or withdrawals. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment and refresh the screen. Let's walk through a quick example. Suppose you placed a limit buy at $90 because you wanted to purchase the stock if the price dropped. The market stays above 90, and you decide you no longer want that order hanging around. Simply open the app or web platform, go to Portfolio or Investments, select the stock, scroll to Pending Orders, hit the X next to that limit buy, and confirm. Your order disappears, and the money is freed up before the price is ever reached. If you don't see a Pending Orders section for that asset, it usually means there's nothing currently queued. And if the order shows as executed or filled, cancellation won't be available. Follow these steps anytime you want to clear out an unfilled order and keep your account tidy.